Hey everyone, it's time to learn how to perfectly customize the caption style in Windows 11. Customizing the caption style in Windows 11 allows you to modify the appearance of subtitles and closed captions to suit your preferences. You can change the font, color, size and background, and even opacity to enhance the readability or match your aesthetic preferences. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your computer. And then you have to choose the accessibility option from the left-hand menu. And then you have to scroll down and click on the Captions option under the Hearing section. And then you can choose a preset or customize. Note that Windows 11 offers preset styles like white on black, small caps, large text, and yellow on blue. To fully customize your captions, you have to hit the Edit button next to Custom Style, and then you can choose a preferred font and adjust the size to small, medium, or large. You can also select the font color and adjust the opacity level. You can even make captions fully opaque or semi-transparent. And you can also modify the background color and set the opacity to make the caption stand out against videos or images. Besides, there is also a pretty neat way to add effects such as shadows for better visibility or personal style. It's worth pointing out that the preview of the captions is available at the top of the settings window. You can see how your changes will look in real time. And once you are satisfied with the caption style, make sure to close the settings window, and that's about it. So that's how you can perfectly customize the caption style in Windows 11 or later. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to ensure the caption style is always in line with your preference. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.